Above all, what we've tried to create was an atmosphere of trust. And one thing that I truly believe in is giving customer service. In the old days, you could give a handshake and that was the deal. Nowadays, it's a little bit different. You have a lot of restoration companies out now that say they'll come in your house and do testing. We look at that as a conflict of interest because clearly we can watch in your home and say, hey, this is mold, and then charge you thousands of dollars. What we like to do is invite you to get any hygienist to come out, anybody to come out and do testing, and then please provide us a report and we can go off that report. Once we're completed with mold remediation, then we'd like you to bring a separate company with no ties to us, come in and have them test behind us. I mean, that's the only true way to know whether the mold remediation was done right. If you want to see what we're about, please check our website out, www.aboveallcr.com, or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.